Hi there, it's Ben here from IncoDocs. Today I'll be giving you a brief overview of some of IncoDocs' most important features so that you can see how IncoDocs will help your team to streamline your sales and export documentation process. IncoDocs will help you to eliminate data re-entry, avoid human errors, create documents up to 80% faster, provide a shared team workspace, allow your team to go paperless and work remotely, and integrate with other software systems. And last, IncoDocs is incredibly easy to use. You'll see value in your first week with fast onboarding and high adoption rates. You'll see ROI on IncoDocs in a matter of days and weeks, not months and years. Let's start with sales documentation. Using IncoDocs, you can easily create quotations, pro forma invoices, or purchase orders. When you create one document, you can click to instantly create the next document without retyping any information. Creating documents with IncoDocs is easy. You can click to insert contacts and complete other information required on each document. Click to insert products to instantly pre-fill all of the information required. Note that all IncoDocs templates are customizable, so you can click to edit a title, edit a field name, remove fields from a document, or click to insert new columns onto your documents. You can change the layout of a template from portrait to a landscape document. You can also set up your own company branded letterhead and footer to provide a professional appearance on your sales documentation. Using IncoDocs, you can save information as snippets so that you can simply click to insert information into a document without having to retype it every time. When finished, add your digital signature, and you can also click to add a digital stamp onto your documents. This will allow your team to go completely paperless and eliminate the manual download, print, sign, scan, upload, and email process. Once you've created a document, simply click Send to share it to the receiver. When you need to create your export documents, you can either click to convert all information from a previously created invoice, or click to create a new set of export documents. IncoDocs provides over 30 standard shipping document templates, which you can customize to the layout to suit your business. Using export documents, all information between documents is automatically synced together to eliminate data re-entry and human error. For example, you can complete all information in a commercial invoice, then go to a packing list and all information will instantly be transferred. You can also click to upload any external files, such as a copy of the bill of lading, a certificate of origin, or container loading photos. Because IncoDocs is a shared team workspace, all documents and files will be stored in one place for easy access for everyone in your team. You can search for the shipment that you need, And you can also click to duplicate a whole folder of shipping documents to instantly transfer all templates and information into a new shipment, eliminating data re-entry. When setting up with IncoDocs, you can easily import a CSV file of all of your contact and product information. Just make sure that your CSV file have the correct column names. Then click to upload your spreadsheet. Then map the columns to fields in IncoDocs. IncoDocs provides over 30 standard shipping document templates, which you can easily customize their layout to suit your business. For example, simply click to edit a document title, edit a field name, remove fields from a document, or click to insert new columns into your documents. Note that you can also change the layout of a template from portrait to a landscape document. You can set up your own company branded letterhead and footer to provide a professional appearance on your sales documentation. Click Format Options and set up a letterhead header and footer with your own company logo, colors, images, or text. Your custom templates will automatically be saved for you to use next time. You can save as many variations of templates as you'd like, and you can even create templates in multiple languages. IncoDocs can be integrated into other systems to automate processes and eliminate data re-entry. We have standard integrations with Xero and QuickBooks, which you can click to connect in seconds. You can also build additional integrations to connect IncoDocs to any other accounting system, ERP, CRM, or TMS system. API documentation is available at our website for IT teams to understand how to build these integrations. If you need further help here, just reach out to our team at info@incodocs.com. Now that you've seen what IncoDocs can do, it's time to get started. Start a 14-day free trial, and let's work together to help you streamline your sales and export documentation process. On behalf of the IncoDocs team, thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon. Happy shipping!